Introducing Aksha, your intelligent AI-powered surveillance solution for next-generation safety. At Algo Analytics, we are building the future of video surveillance with Aksha, an intelligent system that detects and responds. What is Aksha? Aksha is more than just a CCTV. It detects people, vehicles, fire, missing helmets, open gates, and much more, ensuring operational safety at every level. Why Aksha? Turning CCTV into an active safety system, Aksha adds AI intelligence to existing cameras, enabling early risk detection and proactive safety management. Instant AI alerts, proactive risk detection, reduce manual surveillance, focus on decisions, not screens, 24/7 automated monitoring, multi-site monitoring, AI-powered video analytics, scalable safety use cases. Easy installation. Aksha offers seamless integration with any RTSP-enabled camera and also works on CPU and GPU. No wiring, no hardware changes, just connect, screen, and monitor instantly. Available architectural approaches. First, on-premise or edge deployment. Here, the data is processed locally at the edge. This enables low latency and real-time decision-making while ensuring high data privacy. Next, we have the hybrid approach, combining on-premise and cloud. Initial detection happens at the edge, while the cloud is used for advanced analytics and large-scale model training. This approach offers a balanced combination of speed, scalability, and cost efficiency. One-click deployment. Installing software shouldn't feel this complicated. Meet Aksha. Deployment in just one click. Behind the scenes, our system automatically downloads everything it needs and gets everything ready, so you don't have to worry about installing software, updates, or technical details. Once the process is complete, Aksha is ready to use immediately. That means hassle-free deployment, hours saved, and reliable performance every single time. How Aksha works? Processes live feed frame by frame with customizable FPS. This AI-powered system is completely secure, scalable, and built for today's needs. Powered by Aksha, combines computer vision, AI, and generative AI. Camera compatibility. Aksha is compatible with any standard CCTV camera that provides the RTSP link. Here are some examples of CCTV cameras. Use cases. Aksha supports intrusion detection, helmet compliance, fire and leak alerts, crowd detection, and forklift, helping industries respond faster and smarter. Can Aksha handle our specific requirement? Aksha team, yes, fully customizable. Custom detection ready for your needs, tailored to every client requirement. Aksha, smart, safe, and fully customizable. Add a new object, set rules and alerts, and get started instantly. Aksha dashboard. Live AI monitoring. Every camera is continuously analyzed to detect unsafe behavior, violations, and abnormal activity in real time. Real-time analytics and reports. Instant alerts with detailed reports, visualization patterns through heat maps and trends that turn surveillance data into actionable intelligence. Aksha is an open AI platform with built-in analytics and support for integrating third-party or custom AI models. It enables tailored use cases based on technical feasibility and system requirements. It supports integration of third-party or customer AI models. All integrations are managed within the Aksha platform. Infrastructure is tailored based on the model's requirement. We support and manage the integration. Future scope. Safety anytime, anywhere. Keep safety in your pocket with Aksha mobile app. Get real-time alerts, instant incident snapshots, and one-tap acknowledgements so you can respond faster even when you are on the move. Let's innovate together for smarter surveillance, stronger security, and a safer future with Aksha.